Hi guys. So sorry I missed last week. I had a bunch of midterms and projects too. Anyways, a lot happened since last night. We had the artist ball, which is a Rosy Traditions. It happens every year, the week before Halloween, and basically it's a party where everyone dresses up. And I uh, I was gonna dye my skin blue, but that didn't end up happening. I just had a bunch of eyes on my face, so I was like some kind of creature, and I sprayed my hair black, which was cool. That was fun. I looked kind of creepy. Um, and my friend Maddie dressed up as a killer doll, which was really creepy. She was dressed up as a doll, but then she had cracks on her face and blood everywhere. So that was cool. But they were really cool costumes. Like, I mean, they were the typical like no effort costumes, but then there were also the really cool ones where you could tell people actually like spent time making them. Um, so that was really cool. I went to Boston to see the Schecters because Ellie and Marina were visiting colleges. So I went to see the Two Monkeys.
Cafe slipping! Slipping!
And it was really nice actually. It was very sunny, which was cool because here it's kind of rainy. We went to see the harbor and all the cool architecture. And I also got this painting right here. It's really nice. Nice addition to my wall. It's like makes my room feel like summer all the time. Actually, right now it's pretty sunny. But in these past few days, it's been ridiculously cold and rainy and windy and everything. So that's a really nice break. Um, and yeah, the weather here is really chaotic. I actually have quite a lot of footage of rainy nights, so I think I'm going to show you that to end the video. It's very peaceful, very nice. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. Have a good week, and see you next time.